Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study democracy and its function. As we know, democracy is considered to be the best form of government in the world. There are certain silent features of a democratic government. Here, first of all, we will discuss the point first, that is the equality. It is the most important features of a democracy. All are equal without any distinction of caste. Distinction means a clear or important difference between things or people, creed, color, or religion. Here, all are equal. All human beings are equal. Our constitution has also adopted fundamental rights. The purpose of this element is to stop all kinds of discrimination among the citizens. Discrimination means treating one person or group worse than other. According to this point, all we are equal, and according to our constitution has also adopted fundamental rights that all are equal and there is no any kinds of discrimination among the citizens. Here now we will see the second point, that is freedom. Democracy also stands for the freedom of the people, as it is very essential that the people of a democratic country should have the freedom to express their opinion. Here that in the democratic country the people could express their feeling, what they want to say, so they can say in the free of way, okay, about anything which relates to the welfare of the country. According to this point, people have the freedom to express their opinion which relates to the welfare of the country. Now we will see the third point, that is enlightened citizens. Enlightened means having an understanding of a people's need, a situation, etc. That shows a modern attitude to life. Okay, now we will see here in a democratic setup, the government is elected by the people as the people cast their votes in support of the party which they found able and good for the country. In this way, the actual decision making to choose the government is done by the citizens. In a simple way, we can say a democratic government is elected by the people as the people cast their vote in a support of the party. Okay. And in another way we can say the citizens have a power to choose any types of government which they found able and good for the country. Now we will see the fourth point. In a democracy, it is also necessary that every citizen should have right to be a candidate for any post of office. Here, Indian citizens have the right to be for any post of or the office. And in another way we can say he can become prime minister, president or any other minister if he could gather his majority, whereas it is not possible in a dictatorial government. That's why people should have active participation in the progress of a country. In a democracy government, people have the power, or the citizens should have right to become any post, like he can become as a prime minister, president or any minister, okay, if he could gather his majority. Now we will see the next point, that is fifth, public opinion. Democracy also depends upon public opinions, as people give their opinion in the form of votes, so it cannot be ignored by the government. In addition to voting, there are other agencies which formulate public opinion, press, media, etc. Here the democracy also depends on the public opinion. It means public give the votes as a opinion, okay, and so it cannot be ignored by the government. And there are other agencies which formulate public opinion like press, media, etc. They take the public opinion, okay. We will see the next point, that is a 6, a sign of human dignity. Here the dignity means calm, serious behavior that makes other people respect you. It is only possible in democracy that a country can get its social dignity because equality, freedom, and liberty of the people can be attained through democracy. In a democratic country in which all sections of the society should play a major role in the progress of country, that can be possible only when there is less gap between the rich and the poor. So, in a democratic country, the people should not remain poor and hungry. The democracy always work for the social welfare and human dignity. In democracy, the society should play a major role in the progress of country, and when it is possible that time there is less gap between the rich and the poor. That's why the democracy always work for social welfare and human dignity. I hope all of you understood. Okay, bye, then see you in the next video.